Real estate agents, listen up. Are you currently downing your 5th cup of coffee today, praying for a miracle to keep your leads flowing? Don't worry, we've got a life jacket for your sinking lead boat. But real quick, who the hell am I, and why should you watch this? I'm Sam Everett, founder of Evolved Agents, and I've personally worked with over 500 real estate agents and brokers across the US and Canada, including the NFL star and team leader with Keller Williams, Michael Cheever, and even the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Texas Realty. But enough about me, let's talk about how we can take your lead funnel to the next level. I'm going to show you 3 goldmine locations to find real estate leads in 2023. But first, here's a few things I want you to keep in mind. 1, if your lead generation strategy hasn't been updated in the past year, you're definitely losing money. 99.9% of successful real estate agents and brokers have ditched the old methods of getting leads and opted in for the online methods. Don't be part of that 0.1%. 2, real estate lead generation isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal, and you don't have to force yourself to make cold calls. We're all about personalizing the approach. Hey, if you love to go connect with people and socialize at events, perfect. Or if you'd rather message people and conversate on Instagram, even better. This ain't no dictatorship. 3, you've got to balance your proactive and reactive methods of getting leads. Proactive, like hitting up that dude who just geotagged your local coffee shop. And reactive, posting that awesome new property you just listed and waiting for the likes, comments, and potentially new leads to come in. All right, now you're probably thinking, this all sounds great, but I've got as much of an idea about how to set up a lead generation strategy as I do about quantum physics. No worries, we've broken it down into 3 simple steps you can use right now to start generating leads easily. So let's get into it. 1, create valuable content. Think tips for first-time homebuyers, neighborhood guides, and market trends. Content is king, but valuable content is the supreme ruler. Time to channel your inner Shakespeare or DiCaprio. But remember, we're not creating a novel or writing a rom-com here. We're creating valuable content that positions us as the authority in the market. This can include, but is no way limited to, posting videos on YouTube, social media, creating expert write-ups on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, creating guides, helping first-time homebuyers, helping them through that process, becoming a cartograph, mapping out all the hot spots in your local market. And we're becoming trendsetters, giving the lowdown to your audience on all the recent market trends. The only tragedy here is not sharing this gold mine, this wealth of information with your clients in your database, which you already have available to you. You already know it. Using the illusion of free value in the form of visual, written content, and even digital products can be a powerful magnet for new leads. Number 2, run ads on social media. If you think that billboards on a highway is still the way to go, then you and I need to have a talk. Let's bring you up to speed. Social media is your new bustling evergreen avenue for real estate, and Facebook, Google, and YouTube are your keys to unlocking it. Facebook, for example, isn't just a social media platform. It's a marketplace. It's a stage. It's a golden opportunity waiting to be seized. Facebook ads allow you to pinpoint your audience based on behavior, interest, location, and more. You're no longer shouting into the crowd waiting for someone to hear. You're having a one-on-one conversation with a potential client. And the best part is it's measurable. Calculate your impressions, your click-through rate, your conversions, and calculate your return down to the last cent. P.S. This is the number 1 way our students and Evolved Agents are selling homes on a weekly basis. Nancy Durrell, an agent from Trenton, Ontario, recently joined us. We set up some ads, and within just 1 week, she had already sold a home. That's the power of advertising on social media. Since we're on the topic of Evolved Agents, I've personally worked with over 500 real estate agents and brokers across North America, make over $300,000 in commissions using one simple ad and an expert virtual assistant. If you're interested in learning more, go to evolvedagents.com, book a call with myself and my team. We'll take a look at your strategy for getting clients, and then we'll map out a specific action plan to help you make over $300,000 this year in commissions. Number 3, create engaging videos for social media. In the world of real estate, especially online, videos are the leading man. But we're not talking about a bland, snooze-worthy walkthrough. We're talking about high energy, captivating narratives that pull users in. Get behind that lens and showcase the real, live, vibrant experience of being in that home. set the stage for the dreams that your clients can live out in at home. And remember, in the drama of real estate, you're not just selling a house, you're telling a story, and you, my friend, are the director. All right, that's it. You heard it. 3 key steps to revolutionize your lead generation game. If this was as mind-blowing for you as figuring out that tomatoes are actually fruit, then buckle up, because we've got more where that came from. Please stop waiting for leads to come to you. Be the lead magnet that you were born to be. And remember, even if your current lead generation strategy is as outdated as a rotary phone, there's always room for an update. And who better to bring you up to speed than us? So stop playing hard to get and join the evolved agents revolution. Because let's face it, the world of real estate is a jungle, and you're either going to be the lion or the gazelle. We want to make sure you're the one roaring and not the one running for dear life. This isn't a boring history lesson here. This is real estate lead generation we're talking about, and we're here to put the fun back in your funnel. Don't forget, at Evolved Agents, we're all about making you succeed. So if you found this even remotely useful or just enjoyed the lighthearted banter, then you'll get mega value from our AAA system, which will not only give you more leads, but also help you spend less time closing them. Until next time, keep evolving. And remember, if lead generation is a game, then you, my friend, are the MVP. So get out there and score one for the team. Catch you in the next one.